Good morning, grade 11. How are you? Let's start our first writing in our module 1, writing an article, part 1. Let me present our value for this week for you, which is volunteerism. Dear students, remember to help others with your money, time, and your efforts. Don't hesitate to do that. With our starter, read the following quotation. How far do you agree with it? You do your best work if you do a job that makes you happy. Who said that? Bob Ross. Who is a painter? Do you agree or disagree? Our objective today to analyze an article about a job in exercise A, B, C, and D. Student book, page 18 and 19. Exercise B. Read the text below and answer the following questions. Who might write a text like that? And what makes you think so? Pause the video please and read it carefully, then come back to me and tell me your answer. Have you finished? Let me check your answer. Who might write a text like this? Yes, of course. Student. What makes you think so? Who can tell me? Yes, dear, excellent. The writer doesn't mention that he or she already has a career and wants to change to another one. A career advisor would be giving advice to a person about what job to do, not taking that advice from someone else. In exercise C, read the following statements, take those that apply to the text. You can go back to the text and check. The writer uses formal language. Number 2, the writer includes questions and exclamations. 3, the writer avoids referring to himself or herself personally. 4, deals with different aspects of a topic in separate paragraphs. 5, states his or her opinion and develops it by explaining or giving examples. 6, the writer gives arguments for and against the topic discussed. And finally, 7, the writer wants to interest and entertain the reader. Which of the following are included the text that you have read before? Of course, you can pause the video and go back to the text and tell me your answers. Yes, it's time to check your answers. First of all, the writer includes questions and exclamations. Again, questions and exclamations. What else? Yes, dear, excellent. 4, the writer deals with different aspects of the topic in separate paragraphs. Go back. How many paragraphs are there? Excellent, 4. What else? Great, 5. The writer states his or her opinion and develops it by explaining or giving examples. And finally, the writer wants to interest and entertain the reader. The writer here doesn't want to argue or to persuade the reader with something. Let's move to exercise D. Answer the questions below. Question 1. Look at paragraphs 2 and 3 again. What is the general topic of each paragraph? What is the general topic for paragraph 2? Go back to the text. Paragraph 2. Here. And paragraph 3. Here. Let me check your answers. First of all, in paragraph 2, it's about description of qualities and qualifications a travel writer should have. What about paragraph 3? It's about reasons which make the job ideal for the writer. Great. Question 2. In paragraph 3, the writer emphasizes 2 points that he or she makes. Just underline the expressions he or she uses to do so. Go back to the text. Excellent. There are 2 phrases or 2 words which are in fact and the word actually. And now, dear, it's time to say goodbye for you, and I'm waiting for you next lesson, inshallah.